welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you from Dollar General, doing a couple of deals, mainly just the Unilever deals right now. I still have some of those $5 off one P&G coupons left, so yeah. I'm gonna use that to plan out my food or whatever, but for right now, I'm gonna get into this Vaseline here. I'm gonna pick up 5 of these. They're $3.50 a piece, and they're also part of the spend 8, save $2. Alrighty, so I was looking for the Suave, the gold series or whatever it is. Anyways, it is not here at this store, so now I'm gonna switch up the deal I was going to do. I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna get me a few of these Suaves here, and even the 2-in-1 that's right down there. So let me figure out what I'm gonna do, because they don't seem to sell the ones that I was looking for. Okay, so what I picked up so far are the 2-in-1s. These are $2 a piece. I'm going to use the 3 off 2 for the 4 of them. So it'll be 2 coupons and then $1 off of 1. The next thing I will be picking up, even this whole thing out, and hopefully I get $8 off in instant savings. Because with these 2 added on, we have a $1.50 off coupon off of each. So yeah, if I add both of these, that will bring me to $33.50. Then the $8 comes off, bringing me down to $25.50. So I'm just trying to stay all paper. Alrighty, so all of these add up to $33.50, and after the instant savings should bring us down to $25.50. We're gonna have $10 in Vaseline coupons. We're gonna have $7 worth in the Suave here, the gray bottles. We're also gonna have $3 worth in the men's Suave. After everything comes off, as long as all 4 savings comes off, we should be at 50 cents. If, let's say, it only works at 3, then we'll pay $2.50 for all these items. Alrighty, this was awesome. Yeah. Now, the only thing is here, I had to put back this one because that $1.50 off coupon was not attaching, so I took an extra one of the 3-in-1 because that was one that the coupon would attach to. So, as you can see, the 2 store discounts, one for the 5 off 25, the other one for the instant savings. Now, I was counting on 50 cents, but it's $1.50, and that is for 12 items for savings of basically $33. Yeah. Alrighty, everyone, I have made it to another store, and we are going to do the Suave Professional. Alright, let's pick up. I'm actually just gonna get, should I get 4 of the spray? I think I just want 4 of the sprays. I didn't really care for the shampoo and the conditioner really, but this is pretty good, and so is this. So again, we have spend $8 and save $2 instant savings. So right now we're at 20, so that means that I would get $4 off and be at 16. Alright, the next things I'm going to be picking up here is, I think there's 4 left, yes, $2 a piece, and we're going to use that $3 off 2 coupon. And if you were to just get that by itself, $4 take away 3, you only pay 50 cents per bottle. Alrighty, so we have $20 worth here in the Suave Professionals, the gold, whatever this thing is called, whatever they are. Then we got $12 in the 2-in-1 shampoo bottles, and then a $2 men's 2-in-1 hair and body wash. What we're going to use is the 5 off 2 coupons, or buy one get one free, I should say. Buy one get one free, because these are each $5 a piece. Then we're going to use 3 of the $3 off when you purchase 2, and then $1.50 for the hair coupon. Altogether, this is $34. After the instant savings, we will be at $26. After all coupons come off, and the 5 off 25, we should be at 50 cents. But again, let's see what it will do. Might be $1.50, might be 50 cents. Let's see. Okay, so after a transaction, the computer froze and it came back up and set the same amount. But as you can see, it only shows like one store discount, not the actual. I have no idea what happened. I don't even know if it's the... No, that's got to be the 2 off 8. And my $5 didn't come off. But that's okay. I mean, I did calculate 50 cents, and I said maybe the other $2 store savings wasn't going to come off. But, yeah, whatever. $3.44 for 11 items, still not bad. I mean, that's less than one Suave professional thing for $5. So that's what we're gonna go with. Alrighty, the last deal that I'm going to be doing here is an all game deal, and we are going to use the new P&G coupons. In the new P&G, we have buy one get one free for Febreze plugs. I was trying to see, I went to 2 other stores to see if they have. It'll be the Gain with, wait, just like this, but it'll be the Gain scent, and those are also $5. I scanned this tag and it does attach, but no store seems to have them, and I've been looking up high, so I'm just gonna grab, you need to grab a total of 6 of the Gain scent. And if your store is sticklers, you can use 2 paper coupons and 1 digital if they give us 5 off 2, and use that for the Gain deal of $5 off when you spend $30 and $5 off when you spend $25. So, with my clearance stuff. And let's get this. And that's pretty much it, because that's the only 2 cents. So let me get 1 and 1. So those are my 6. So after 3 of those coupons, because that right there adds up to 30, so we get the 5 off 25, the 5 off 30, and we get $15 off with the paper coupons. That should bring everything up to $5 for the 6 of them. Alrighty, so this is a coupon you're going to want to use right there. We have a buy one get one free off of the oil refills. There's also for small spaces, which up to $3. So you already know the Unstoppables is 4. And then we have the $1 off 1 Febreze Air. And I guess that's a new item, because I haven't seen that. So, and that's actually good until December 31st. Alright everyone, this is my receipt. The machine just kind of ate it. This is for the Glade, and just to let you know that both digitals did apply, and it is $5 for the 6 of them with a $25 savings. So that is something you can do as long as your store accepts more than 2 coupons, or if we get the digital of $5 off 2, then you can match that with 2 of the Febreze coupons and achieve the same thing as well. So that's about like 83 cents per oil plug thingy majiggy, whatever. Alright, and then I wanted to show y'all, look at this for the clearance event. I did these totes were $1, and they're bigger than the ones at the dollar store. And no, that's not what I want. Which one is it? Let's see. Which one is it? Alrighty, hold on. I just found 3 more $5 off coupons that I am trying to burn. I still got 50 bucks left, and I'm gonna go to the stores and do the clearance event so that I can find more totes, since I am rearranging my house. But I matched it up with this. I was just trying to get my little cheapies, my Tide Simply and all. And then I got 6 of those, 6 or 7 of the totes. And look, I only paid $3.45 when I handed over that $5 off coupon. Savings of 9 for 9 items. So for 9 items, I only paid $3.45. So if you have any of those P&Gs, burn them at the store, I mean, not like literally. Alright everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.